coding in Python. We are going to do another pandas video, and in this video I'll show you how to take a CSV file like this one. So a CSV file is kind of like an Excel file with variables. They can be categorical or quantitative, and we have, for instance, this is like a Star Wars Battlefront a CSV file that has the data like time remaining, total points, and high score. But I'm going to show you how to create a new CSV file um, coming from the just VS Code. So all you have to do is name your CSV file. I'm going to put run.csv as the suffix or the extension number. Um, you can also make it a txt or .py or even a C++, C sharp. So just change the suffix at the end of the dot, and then you can create your CSV file. So all I need to do is do that, and then open it. And I'm going to paste my variables at the very top. I have miles, kilometers, average hour, or I mean average heart rate, BPMs, hours, meters per second, and a couple more extra variables. So now I'm going to input my run for the day. This is line 1. My miles is 4.09. My kilometers will be calculated, so I'm going to put 0 for the moment. My heart rate was 134. My hours was about 0.75, and my speed will be calculated in kilometers and hours. So I put a 0 for the moment. Save it. And now we go to the Python file with the imported libraries pandas. I also included random and numpy because I can create a random number if I need. Um, and then numpy is useful for making calculations like sine, cosine, also creating arrays and lists. But luckily we don't need to use lists in this program because we're using CSV files. So here's where you create the object or the data frame. And so df is going to be holding the CSV file. I already started df4 for run.csv, and then we're going to edit the columns. Right here, kilometers equals 0. What that will do is it'll create a new column um, called kilometers, and it'll make two duplicate columns. So we don't want to use that again. But for speed, we're going to calculate the speed, and we're going to calculate kilometers also. So how many kilometers are in a mile? Is it 2.56 per mile? 2.5 kilometers per mile? I'm gonna Google it right now for the moment, but let's just make a quick calculation. Equals df miles. What's the name of the variable? Miles. Okay. Then we're going to divide by 2.5, and then that should create the kilometers column. And then speed is going to be no space. It's going to be divided by 1,000 or df4 kilometers times 1,000 divided by 3,600. seconds in a